Okay, in this video we're going to be working to fix the website schema tags. So here we ran a scan on this business and it's showing the website is missing schema according to the Yext tool. So what we're going to do is go to the site itself and we're going to install a plugin. So if we are in the dashboard and we search plugins, there's a bunch of schema plugins, and we're going to try one of these. Let's go ahead and try this one. Okay, so this plugin is activated. I clicked on settings and I see different things here. Page, so I think it wants me to match these up with the appropriate page. So the About Us page I'll put here. Contact page I'm going to put here for free estimate. Website schema, let's put that global. Breadcrumbs, I don't know what that does exactly. Let's go ahead and select that. Let's look at some of these other ones. Review module, Google review. We already have a Google review thing on there, so I think that's probably okay. Add schema markup in footer. Sure, why not? Oh, by default it's added in header section. Let's just keep it in the header section. Premium features, we don't need that. Services, no, we don't need that. So let's go ahead and click save. Oh, site links search box, no. So I'm going to click save settings. Alrighty, so hopefully it added schema. Let's see what this does. Add schema type. Well, first let's go ahead and run a new search on this business to see what happens. Or we're going to actually scan it again. Let's run a new scan. If I just click refresh, and it's still not showing anything. Let me go ahead and try to re-scan the whole thing. So I'm going to re-enter in all the company information. Bear with me. Alright, so I got the company information in there. Now I'm going to try and scan again to see if it to see if it actually recognizes the schema now. And it does not. Let me see if there's some other tool to check schema. Okay, so I think I found the problem is we need to add a schema type. So there was no information showing about the type of schema. So let's add schema. We're going to change it to local business. Okay, so this looks pretty good. Let's go to see if they have a category. I see nothing that really fits our business type. Lodging business, I guess we could call it a professional service. It would be nice if they had something called contractor, but I don't see that. So let's go with professional service. Business name, AAA fence, there's the address, it's got all that, but we got to put the right phone number in there that matches Google. So let me bring over a Google search. Okay, so this is the phone number we want. I want to paste it in with the same format. Maybe I can put it like this. Image, it wants an image. Maybe they want the logo. So I'm going to see if I can upload a logo. There we go. Alt text, I guess we'll give it a name. Maybe we can do like a keyword, fence company, Volusia County. All right, price range, we will just leave that blank. There's no menu, that's weird. And then I'm going to click next. Okay. Placement. Where would you like this to be displayed? On a page. And let's put it right on the home page. Equal to. So that looks like it would place it on the home page. And maybe we should also put it on the About Us page. About Us. Maybe I can put it on all pages. Let's try that. Yeah. So I am going to just put this on every single page, if possible. Let's see how it goes. Free estimate. Page. Gate system. And then as we add new pages, we're going to want to put this on there too. I'm even going to put it on the reviews page. And residential. I think that's it. I don't think there's any more pages. Let me see. Post type page. Okay, we already got that. So we can delete that. And so I'm guessing now it's going to put the website schema on all these pages somehow. Placement. Okay, so it gave me a little arrow that it did it. Schema successfully added. Have fun. So how do we see if it worked? So what I'm going to do now is go to schema. Let's see if we see anything down here. I don't see anything, but maybe it's in the code. So I'm going to go to page source, and there, no, I don't see anything. Where is this schema? I'm going to type in the word schema. This might be part of it right here, I suppose. So let's try running our scan again and see if it picked it up this time. So I'm going to go back to my my scan tool for Yext and then rerun this scan. Alright, so I've re-entered the information here for the listing scan, and I'm going to click Scan Now. And it's still showing missing schema. Huh. Alright, so now I'm going to use Google's structured data testing tool because I'm not having much luck with Yext. So I'm entering this, run test. So it's showing 3 items: an organization, website, Adam, whatever that is. Okay. All right, so here's another example. This is from schema.org local business. This one looks promising. And here's the microdata. So I am going to try to just paste this code into the site and see if it finds this, because the other thing did not work. Okay, so I'm back. I finally got this thing working. It gives 2 warnings for professional service, but I'm actually okay with that. Somehow it has restaurant information, but still it's putting in keywords for the different types of services, which I like. So I'm okay with the warnings because it's not showing errors. And so now it's showing all this, and if I bring over the web page, this tool that I use, this structured data, if I click settings, this is what it looks like here. I'll just go through each tab. I'm not doing any of that. Okay. And then if I click on a page, so we'll run the tool. Let's do this one for, we're going to do it on all pages, but I'll show you this one right here. So if we click edit, down here at the very bottom it says modify current schema. So we're going to modify that, and we're going to click this button like this. Here it allows for a little description too. I'm just going to put fence contractor in Volusia County. I want to see if this actually shows up in the Google Rich Snippets also. So I'm just going to check my spelling. My spelling looks good. Latitude and longitude it is already in there, even though it's not showing here. It seemed to be showing it. Aggregate rating, check that box, and it's putting this. I just manually entered this in from Google reviews. This is how many they got. So I'm going to click update. And now we're going to get the URL here, view page. Okay, and I'm going to run this in the tool using a new test, and let's see what it finds. Yep, it's got them all. It's got the same 2 warnings. Let's see if it, see, this is nice, and it gives the description too, so that's very good. So I'm happy with this. I think that'll be nice. So we need to start adding this structured data to the pages on the site, and that's how we do that.